In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix BattlEye is required to play GTA Online. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it can be really annoying when you're trying to open GTA Online, but it's saying that you have to fix BattlEye anytime you try and open. So the first thing I want you to do is open up Steam and then go to your library. Then go to GTA 5, whether it's Enhanced or Legacy Edition, and all you have to do is right click on it, go to Manage, and then go to Browse Local Files. Now, if you have a file here called args.txt, you want to go ahead and delete that, and then you want to go to your recycling bin as well and delete it from here as well, so it's permanently deleted. I don't have it, so that is not preventing me from opening GTA. But if you have arg.txt, then you have to make sure that's deleted. Now, the final thing I recommend doing is, once you've done that and you've deleted it from your recycling bin, go back on Steam. Then once you're back on Steam, like I was saying, whether it's Legacy or Enhanced, all you have to do is right click on it and then go to Properties right there. And then you're going to see a few different options here. So one of them is going to be Installed Files, which is the third one down. And then you just want to do Verify this game's files are installed correctly. So then you just want to do Verify this game's files are installed correctly. So then just press Verify integrity of game files and it's going to check. Now, GTA is a big game, so it might take a while to do. Probably take a few minutes, but then after that, it should fix the BattlEye is required to play GTA Online message, and you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.